The Touchstone Fireplug Pro 38-inch electric fireplace insert is designed to deliver a clean, built-in appearance with flexible installation options. Measuring 38 inches wide, 29 inches high, and just under 8 inches deep, the insert is compact enough for a variety of spaces while still creating a bold visual centerpiece. To help achieve a seamless finished look, the Fireplug Pro offers two optional trim kit sizes, a 2-inch trim kit and a 4-inch trim kit. The 2-inch trim kit expands the overall width of the fireplace to 40 inches and includes matching 2-inch side trim pieces for a sleek, modern finish. The kit also comes with 3 interchangeable top trim pieces in 2-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch sizes, allowing you to customize the final installed height to either 30, 32, or 34 inches depending on your wall opening or design preference. For installations that require additional coverage, the 4-inch trim kit provides an even larger finished appearance. With the 4-inch trim installed, the fireplace reaches an overall width of 44 inches, featuring wider 4-inch side trim pieces to help cover larger gaps and create a more substantial built-in look. The 4-inch trim kit also includes 3 interchangeable 2-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch top trim pieces, giving you the same flexible height options of 30, 32, or 34 inches. Whether you're looking for a minimal surround or a larger finished presentation, the Fireplug Pro trim kits make it easy to customize your installation and create a polished, professional appearance in any space.